Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Filmora for speed ramping and transitions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with Filmora for speed ramping and transitions, first, visit the official Filmora website. Look for the download button on the home page and click it to download the software. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Filmora on your computer. After installation, launch the Filmora application by double-clicking its icon on your desktop. When the application opens, you'll be prompted to create an account or log in. If you're a new user, select the option to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. After entering your information, click the Sign Up button to create your account. Check your email for a confirmation message from Filmora. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the Filmora application and log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Create tab on the main interface. Now you can start a new project or open an existing one. To add speed ramping, go to the Edit option in the toolbar. Select a clip in the timeline that you want to apply speed ramping to. Right-click on the clip and choose Speed and Duration from the menu. Adjust the speed settings using the slider to create your desired effect. To add transitions, go to the Transitions tab in the toolbar. Browse through the categories and select your favorite transitions. Drag and drop your chosen transition between two clips in the timeline. Adjust the duration of the transition by clicking and dragging its edges. Preview your edits by clicking the play button in the preview window. Continue editing until you're satisfied with your video's flow and effects. Finally, when you're ready, click on the Export button to save your project. Choose your desired format and settings, then click Export again to finish. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.